What if I told you everything you're witnessing right now was summoned from thin air using nothing but words, just pure AI magic? Today I'll show you how to conjure stunning cinematic worlds in under 5 minutes using a legendary tool called Kling 1.6 and 2.0. Whether you're a digital sorcerer or a curious apprentice, this spell changes everything. Welcome to Wizard AI, the sacred channel where we transform text into visual enchantments using the arcane powers of artificial intelligence. If you've ever dreamed of wielding your imagination like a wand, you're in the right place. Let's begin the incantation. First, open your magic portal, also known as a browser, and venture to Kling.ai. Join free and possible free trial credits and scrolls. Remember, it's still in 1.6 is the beta, so patience is a virtue even for the most powerful of mages. 2.0 is actually a bit more fairy wings. Now, in the prompt box, type your vision. 2 massive dragons, one obsidian black with glowing red eyes, the other crimson red with flaming wings, clash mid-air in a deep, narrow canyon. If you're offered styles or spell durations, choose cinematic or realistic to give your vision the sharpest edge. This sets the tone, the light, and the mystical camera movement. Next, click Generate, and let the AI spirits do their work. It may take a moment for the spell to finish brewing. While you wait, forge your next vision. Never waste a moment of wizardry. When your scene materializes, preview your conjuration, then download it to wield in your content quests, YouTube shorts, TikToks, even your own fantasy films. Enchanter's tips. Want to cast more powerful visual spells? Heed these 3 sacred tips. 1. Be precise in your incantations. Don't just say, dragon flying. Say, a shadowy black dragon spirals upward through a misty canyon, eyes glowing crimson, wings tearing the fog. 2. Use verbs with impact. Charging through storm clouds, summoning fire, vanishing in a swirl of mist. Action drives the enchantment. 3. Think like a spellcaster behind the lens. Mention the angle, mood, and magic. Low angle shot, dusk lighting, glowing embers drifting through the air. Bird's eye view. And just like that, you've conjured a cinematic world with nothing but text and intent. No coding, no animation, just raw AI sorcery. If your mind has been enchanted, cast a like spell below to help boost the channel's mana. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI spellcraft, creative prompts, and arcane tutorials every single week. Now watch my next video going over how to make images for cheap fairy wings and frog legs. Please subscribe so I can stop living under the staircase with Harry Potter. His feet smell, and I need a home. This is Wizard AI, where your words become worlds